Blabina, blabina, blah blah blabina. Blah 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 blabina, blah blah blabina. Ah, blabina, blabina, blah blah blabina. Hi, I am Santa. No, I am Blabina. I am decorating my teeny tiny Christmas tree. This present is for me, and this one is for me, and this one is for me, but this one is for me. Can you hear it? I wonder what animal that could be. Blah 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 blah. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hello. Look at their big antlers. Wow. Boys and girls reindeers have antlers. They are just like our fingerprints. No two antlers are alike. They eat a lot of grass. Reindeers are plant eaters. That means they only eat plants. Do you like grass? I don't. I do like vegetables.
Wait, my hat fell off. I have to put it back on.
Oh, that's better. Now it's your turn to make your reindeer. Don't forget, you are smart, you are amazing, and you can do anything. See you next time! Blah, 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 blah. blah Blabina. Dear grown-ups, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I would love to hear from you. Bye! Merry Christmas from Blabina.